Hey, it's Levi and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing this new paint kit I got. This is a guitar refinish spray can kit from Oxford Supply. They basically manufacture nitrocellulose guitar lacquers. So I just ordered this, and this is the Deluxe refinishing kit. So it comes with a few extra goodies like some sandpaper and things and green filler. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this box, see what we've got, and then in one of my next videos, you're going to see me use this kit to refinish that guitar body back there. Opening up the box first, and basically we've got all this brown paper. Now I ordered these deluxe tips. The reason why I've ordered these special tips as opposed to just running with the ones that they come with standard is this deluxe tip and being able to move, like whether it sprays horizontal or vertical, leads to a much better result. Those are the spray tips. This is an extra thing. This doesn't come as part of the kit. First thing that we're gonna open up is the small one. Let's take a look at the small one. So, now this right here, I believe this is the grain filler. There it is, yeah. Oil-based grain filler. So if you have an open pore wood, you would use this to fill the grain, which basically leaves you with a nice smooth and flat finish. Sometimes people like the open grain look, right? So you can kind of choose to leave it unfilled if you like. This product here is one of the big reasons why I ordered the kit, because I couldn't find a grain filler like that is meant for this pretty much anywhere. So that's one. Now I've got these two smaller ones here. Take a look at this. So these are polishing compounds. So we've got medium and fine polishing compound. I believe these are part of the Deluxe spray kit. Another thing that I was definitely interested in, they help you get that kind of mirror finish or matte finish depending on kind of what you're after. It looks like we've got some spray cans. There's a few things with the spray cans, right? This one is clear gloss, so this would be like a top coat, and this is all nitrocellulose lacquer. That's the type of paint that they use on like Gibson guitars, and it ages really nicely, and that's why I've chosen to go for nitrocellulose rather than any of the other options, because there's tons of options. All right, we got another clear gloss as well. That way, you know, you've got plenty of them. You can, you know, build it up. Got another can. And another clear gloss. There's a lot of clear gloss. No shortage of that. Down to the last two. This is the shell pink nitrocellulose lacquer. And this one, honestly, this is the whole point of doing this kit. I wanted to get a shell pink, not just like a nondescript light pink color. I wanted it to be shell pink, like the classic guitars that you see from the 60s and even from the modern era that are this color, shell pink. So stoked on that. Oh, you can smell it right away, dang. So this stuff is it's not good for you, basically. The spray cans come with two tips. So one is a round tip, probably for more of a cone mist, and then one is a flat mist. This one is also, you can shift the direction of it. However, these are fairly small. These bigger tips, I believe they'll be a lot easier to work with. Let's see what else we got. One last spray can. This is a sanding sealer. So, my understanding of this, sand it all down nice and smooth, do your grain filler if necessary, then sanding sealer. There might be sanding in between, I'm not really sure. And once you do that stage, then you can apply the color, the shell pink, and then after that, you got clear gloss, and we've got 3 cans of clear gloss. So I'm assuming that I would build that clear gloss up over and over. And then once you've gotten through all that, I believe you would do your polishing compounds. That's my take on that so far. We'll see in the next refinish video how that next stage kind of goes. I don't know, this looks like gauze. So it turns out this is tack cloth. The purpose of this is to wipe down the instrument before you start spraying. It's meant to essentially pick up all of the dust and debris and whatever might be on the surface of your instrument. So that's what this guy is. And then on here, we've got some sandpaper. And the sandpaper that they give you is 320, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, and 2000 grit. And these are all P grits, which basically means that they are like the professional grits. They are proper and not a bunch of random cheap ones. And these are sold only in the Deluxe aerosol kit. And I personally found this type of sandpaper a little bit harder to find in my local shops. So I'm glad that they included it in this kit. But that's essentially it. That's kind of what comes in this kit. So I'm excited to get down to it and start refinishing that guitar. However, one of my next problems that I need to figure out is, where am I gonna do this? When I started the project, it was summer, and I was like, okay, maybe I can get that spray done before winter comes. But if you look outside right now, today, you will see that it is like winter, like snowstorm. So basically I need to figure out where I'm gonna be doing this. And the thing is, you gotta be really careful about where you do this, because it has to be a well ventilated area and it has to have a minimum temperature. To have these work properly, you gotta spray them around room temperature, that's around 20 Celsius. So I'm not sure. I really hope I can get this project done indoors somewhere this winter, but I also have a fear that I might have to wait until spring if I can't secure a location to do the spraying. So if you have any ideas in the comments below of where I could go to spray my guitars, let me know, and I would be happy to hear from you, because I don't have a shop or anything. I don't have a garage. I might be able to borrow someone's garage for a little bit. That's kind of one of these things that maybe I should have thought about before I embarked on this journey, but here we are halfway through and we're gonna figure it out eventually. So that's it, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next guitar refinish video. That will be coming within the next few weeks or months. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I'll be working on it. I encourage you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content, and until then, have a great day. Bye for now.